After 7 years, hiwalay na ang content creators na sina Sir Gabin at ang Ma'am Elma. Pareho nilang kinumpirma sa Facebook na mutual decision nila ito. Say ni Gabin, nilaban nila pareho hanggang dulo para maisalba ang kanilang relasyon. Pero masakit daw kung ipipilit pa kahit wala na. Wala naman daw third.
Okay. Pag sa relationship, pag mahal mo ang isang tao, kailangan ipaglaban mo. You have to put in effort. You have to put in energy to make a relationship work. Especially nga, if you love someone. Relationship will not automatically work. Sabi ko sa inyo yan, matagal na akong kasal. Magte 20 years na akong kasal. Malapit na. And doon, I'm telling you, pag marriage, o pag kahit anong relationship, boyfriend, girlfriend, asawa, mag-asawa, in order for the relationship to move forward, you have to put in work. And just because, ito pa ang ito ang problema ko sa Filipino culture. Just because a relationship is boring, yung paulit-ulit na lang, that doesn't mean na walang kwenta ang relationship. Understood? So ulit, just because paulit-ulit kayo ng ginagawa, kilalang kilala nyo na yung isa't isa, bored kayo sa relationship ninyo. So, dahil bored kayo, iniisip nyo, wala nang kwenta ang relationship ninyo. That mentality is BS. That mentality is stupid. Dahil bored kayo, that doesn't mean anything. Na walang kwenta ang relationship nyo. Ibig sabihin lang yun, maybe you're busy. Maybe you have a lot of things going on. Especially sa buhay ninyo, that you need to slow down. Kasi I hear this all the time. Ito narinig ko na naman.
Laban nila pareho hanggang dulo para maisalba ang kanilang relasyon. Pero masakit daw kung ipipilit pa kahit wala na.
Okay. Ipipilit mo na wala na. Okay, kung wala na, ibig sabihin that you don't love each other. Now, hindi natin alam kung bakit wala na. Pero, unless na somebody cheated, unless na it's something big, kung maliit lang naman na rason, kaya kayo naghiwalay is basically you don't love each other. Ganun lang yun. Dati mahal nyo isa't isa, ngayon ayaw nyo na. Siguro maybe you're bored. Pero just because magkasama kayo palagi and you guys are bored of each other, that doesn't mean anything. That doesn't mean you don't love each other. Kaya nga pag nagpakasal, till death do us part, through thick and thin. Alam ko hindi to kasal, boyfriend, girlfriend lang. Pero, kasi ganun talaga ang relationship eh. Palagi ko nga itong sinasabi, sometimes relationships up, sometimes it's all the way down. Sometimes nag-aaway kayo palagi, sometimes you're lovey-dovey. Depende sa sitwasyon ninyo ngayon. Depende sa mga problema nyo and yung mga choices nyo sa buhay. Pero pag may mga problema, yung relationship nyo, yung marriage nyo, that doesn't mean that you give up on it. It's actually supposed to make you stronger. Kasi doon talaga tatatag ang relationship. Sa mga problema. That's what makes you strong. In times of problems, not in times of peace.
Wala naman daw third party. Say naman ni Ma'am Elma, patuloy nilang susuportahan ang isa't isa. Sumikat si Sir Gavin sa kanyang comedy skits, prank and family-oriented vlogs kasama ang kanyang Kapinpin brothers. Mga kapatid,
So, yun lang naman ang gusto kong i-message sa inyo ngayon. That relationship needs work. Put in effort on it. Lalo na kung mahal mo isang tao, it will be worth it. Lalo na kung may relationship kayo and wala naman, nobody cheated. Ayaw mo lang si lalaki kasi ganito, ayaw mo yung, kung maliliit lang na bagay, it shouldn't be a big deal. Kunwari, ayaw nyo lang dahil nag-aaway kayo palagi. Normal yun. Sometimes ganoon kami ng asawa ko. Sometimes nag-aaway kami. 1 week straight. Every day nag-aaway kami. Sometimes naman, we're very sweet. 1 week straight. Puro sweet. Ganon. Kaya nga, palagi ko sinasabi, dito sa channel ko, pag magbo-boyfriend and girlfriend kayo, hopefully, kung mag-i-start kayo ng relationship, is wala pa siyang boyfriend at wala pa siyang girlfriend. Kayo ang unang-una. Bakit? Kasi nga, para yung puso niya buong-buo sa'yo. Kasi pag maraming boyfriend at maraming girlfriend, minsan, nagko-compete sa utak ninyo. Nagko-competition sila. Etong ex-boyfriend ko, ganito to. Tapos yung boyfriend ko ngayon, ganito. So, pinagko-compete yung mga sitwasyon na yon. Pag isa lang, walang ka-competition. Yung puso, buong buo, 100% sa inyo lang. So, yun lang naman mga boss. Hopefully you guys have a good day and I'm peacing out.